Students, we are here on question number 7 of your worksheet 5, chapter 4th. In this question, what is given? P over Q is equal to 2 over 3 to the power 2 into 1 over 3 to the power minus 4. You have to find out the value of P over Q to the power minus 2. So you need to find out the value of P over Q to the power minus 2. So how you can do? First of all, there are so many methods by which you can solve this question, but one of them I am going to discuss for you. First of all, you solve P over Q. P over Q is equal to 2 over 3 to the power 2 is there, and 1 over 3 to the power minus 4 is there. Minus 4 I am going to write. You can see here it is a positive exponent, it is negative exponent. So first of all, in order to solve, change all the values with the positive exponent. So this negative exponent can be changed into positive exponent by taking reciprocal of 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 का reciprocal 3 over 1 हो गया और minus power plus power में change होगी. Now you can write them in the open form. 2 over 3 to the power 2 is there. 2 over 3 to the power 2 को 2 over 3 into 2 over 3 लिख लिया. 3 over 1 to the power 4 is there. You can write 3 over 1 to the power 4 means 3 over 1 into 3 over 1 into 3 over 1 into 3 over 1. You can see here, whatever is common between the numerator and denominator, you can cancel that. 3 1 the 3 and 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3 and 3 1 the 3, this got cancelled. You are left with 2 into 2 4 into 3 12, 3 the 36. So you get the value of P over Q is equal to 36. P over Q की value 36 आ गई. Now you need to find out the value of P over Q to the power minus 2. अगर हम इस P over Q की power minus 2 कर देते हैं तो यहाँ पे भी इसकी power minus 2 करके we can get the answer. So taking minus 2 power on both side, so P over Q to the power minus 2 can be written as 36 to the power minus 2. क्यों? P over Q की power minus 2 किया है तो 36 की power भी minus 2 करना पड़ेगा. Now you can see this number is again with the negative exponent. So 36 over 1 लिख के मैंने इसको रैशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में कंप्लीट कर लिया टू द पावर माइनस 2. नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू मेक दिस नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट, चेंज दिस नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट, 1 over 36 over 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 over 36, नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट गॉट चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट, पावर माइनस 2 से प्लस 2 में चेंज होगी. सो यू गॉट 1 over 36 to the power 2 means this 1 over 36 can be written twice. 1 over 36 into 1 over 36, you'll get answer 1 over 1296. So this is your answer. This is your question number 7 of worksheet 5, 4th chapter.